Delhi's recorded 3,600 new COVID cases, and this is the highest in over 2 months. The last time cases were this high were on the 24th of June, when cases were 3,788. Delhi now has a total of 1,97,135 cases. Meanwhile, the Delhi High Court has said that doctors' prescription is no longer required for asymptomatic patients to undergo COVID testing in Delhi, but the requirement will be an Aadhaar card with a Delhi address and an ICMR form that will have to be filled. After the Delhi High Court order, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal tweeted, Delhi government has increased testing multifold. I have directed the Health Minister this morning that doctors' prescription should not be asked for testing. Anyone can get themselves tested. Well, let's go across to Sukirti for more. And Sukirti, a very welcome move. This is something in Mumbai as well. You didn't need a doctor's prescription to get tested, and more people need to get tested, especially since there's so many asymptomatic people. However, an Aadhaar card with a Delhi address being required is going to be a complication for many people who live and work in Delhi, but perhaps don't have the Aadhaar card from here.
Well, yes, Gargi, and because of that restriction, it is only partially a relief for Delhiites. Also, a major decision coming from the Delhi High Court, considering Delhi is the city that earlier saw a controversy where the Delhi government had banned 8 private labs. At that point, the government had said that these labs had been testing a lot of asymptomatic people. They've not been following the ICMR guidelines, and that is leading to a lot of backlog of pending test results. And all of that had also received a lot of backlash that the Delhi government on one hand should be encouraging more and more testing. But yesterday, after the Delhi High Court order, Arvind Kejriwal tweeted saying that I have already directed the authorities that anybody who wants to be tested should be able to get that done. But of course, this is a big restriction that you need to have a Delhi address. And with Delhi, that seems to be a constant problem. Earlier, the Kejriwal government had said that only those people can get treated in Delhi's hospitals who have a Delhi address. And then a lot of people had pointed out how people even from the neighboring states, UP or the NCR region, Noida, Gurgaon, all of those people also keep coming here. Many of them who belong from there tend to live here. All of those issues had cropped up, and the government received a lot of flack, after which they withdrew the decision. So especially in a city like Delhi, which has people from all over India, this could be a big problem for asymptomatic people who are unable to get a doctor's prescription but would still want to get tested. They will need an Aadhaar card that has the Delhi address, and that could be a problem.
All right, Sukirti, thanks so much for joining us with those details. And staying with news from Delhi, Delhi Metro's Blue Line and Pink Line are resuming operations today after being closed for 171 days due to the COVID pandemic. On a Monday, the Delhi Metro had resumed services on its Yellow Line with curtailed operations and a slew of measures for safety of passengers and employees. Metro services in the Delhi NCR were closed since March 22nd due to the pandemic. And after one line, that's the Yellow Line, opened on Monday, and today the Blue Line and Pink Line are resuming, but as we said, with many restrictions and many protocols in place.